Guys, VIT exam is starting from tomorrow, and I know some of you are completely lost in exactly, ma'am, what to study for the exam. We have not done anything. So here's the hack. For physics, chemistry, and maths, right? If you have your exam tomorrow, then just revise the formulas that you already know. Don't start anything new. And for those students who have their exam in the later shifts, right, then go through my chemistry live sessions. Around 100 questions I must have solved, right? And for physics and maths, I have given you top 100 questions of physics and maths in the Telegram channel. Go through that. Now for English and chemistry, these are the bonus marks for you. 5 questions of English and 10 questions of aptitude you have here. Now for these, you just need to watch 2 videos. Even if you have your exam on 28th or later shift, do watch it. If you see top 50 questions of English I have taken along with the theory. Go through this video even if you have your exam tomorrow. This will help you for those 5 questions. Then this one is aptitude, which students are actually confused about what to do, what not to do. So here I have covered every single thing from your number series to syllogism to coding, decoding, directions, blood relations, right? Now everything we have covered here. Clocks, calendars, everything, all the formulas that are needed, I have covered. So these 15 questions will be your bonus questions for your exam. Now, all the best, everyone. You will rock it. I totally trust you. And do let me know in the comment section what are the other exams that you're preparing for. All the best for your exam.